We need to find the inherent weakness in the argument here. This last sentence is the conclusion here. This suggests that confidence in one's ability, so C, leads to enhancement of one's media literacy. So higher confidence leads to higher media literacy. This is the conclusion here. The correct answer choice A here mentions that it is possible that those who are highly confident have a less precise understanding of their own media literacy. So it is not a fact that people who are highly confident also have a higher media literacy. It is practically possible that just because they are more confident, they are also more confident about their own media literacy. And yes, ignoring this likelihood that higher confidence may be leading them to higher evaluation of their own media literacy is an inherent weakness in the journalist's argument, and this is something that the journalist's argument is most susceptible to criticism for. A is going to be the correct answer choice. Let's still look at the other answer choices. No, the argument does not assume that students who have greater confidence have greater media literacy. See, everything here is about self-evaluation. So such an assumption is not a problem here. That a large number of students may not have understood what the interview was meant to ascertain is something that applies to both the tests here, and therefore this cannot be a ground for criticism of the author's argument. Answer choice D has two problems. Yes, the sample size may have been too small, but still there is a correlation to be explained. And another problem is, please read the question stem carefully. This is about which of the following answer choices is the argument most susceptible to. So in such question stems with most there are likely to be some other answer choices that may do a weak or a faint job. At best, this answer choice does a faint job at weakening the argument, and whether 200 is actually a low enough number, frankly, we don't know. D is not going to be the correct answer choice. Whether there are factors other than confidence is something that anyway applies. The argument does not say that only high confidence leads to higher perception of media literacy. Yes, there may be other factors, but that cannot be called a weakness in the reasoning here. Answer choice A, by suggesting that high confidence leads to a less precise understanding of their own media literacy, questions whether the perception of these students about their media literacy is actually correct. Because see, this conclusion here is not about perception. It is about actual enhancement of one's media literacy. And answer choice A, by suggesting that it is simply high confidence leading to a higher perception of one's media literacy, practically their media literacy may not be higher. A very interesting question, a lot to be learned from this one. A is the correct answer choice.